In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a PDF in Canva. Whether you're looking to give your design a new perspective or simply want to tweak the orientation for better readability, Canva makes the process quick and easy. First, start by heading over to Canva's website. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and typing in canva.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see Canva's vibrant homepage filled with design inspiration. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for this guide, we'll assume you're already logged in. Now let's get started by clicking on the Create button. This is typically located on the home page, allowing you to easily start a new design or import an existing document. Once you've clicked on this, you'll need to find and click on the Upload option. This is where you'll bring in your PDF file that you want to edit. Clicking Upload will open up a window where you can choose your files. Next, select Upload Files to pick the specific PDF you're aiming to rotate. Navigate through your files until you locate the PDF you have in mind. Once found, click on it and then tap on Open. This will upload your selected document into Canva, ready for editing. Don't worry if it takes a few moments. It might take a bit, depending on the size and content of your PDF. After the upload is complete, you'll see your PDF amongst your other uploads. Simply click on the uploaded file to open it within Canva's editing interface. With the PDF now on your canvas, click on the content that you wish to rotate. You'll notice that a bounding box with adjustment handles surrounds your content. Focus on the small circular rotate handle at the top of the bounding box. This is the tool we need. This handle is your key to rotating. Click and hold the rotate handle, then drag it in the direction you want your content to turn. As you do this, you'll notice the PDF moving, giving you a live preview of exactly how it will look once you're done. Getting the right angle might take a bit of practice, so feel free to try a few times to perfect it. Once you've adjusted the rotation to your satisfaction, simply release the rotate handle. Your PDF will stay in its new orientation. It's as easy as that. With these steps, you can reorient any part of your PDF as needed for your design purposes. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to rotating PDF content right in Canva. Enjoy your newfound design flexibility and keep experimenting to make the most out of Canva's robust features.